if you want your data analysis agent to be very precise, you need to give it a data context. And let me explain this with an example. So here we have some data which is related to an iPhone health data. And this data has got various fields. It has got fields such as the activity, and this activity can have different values such as is it a step count or is it a distance covered, is it energy. And then it has also got information related to the creation date, the start date, end date, as well as it has also got this column called as value. So this value column here is going to correspond to the activity type. So for example, here you have 49. So 49 in fact means that you have step count, total step count of 49 at this particular date and time. Now, if you see this particular table, it only has got information on the activity, but it doesn't contain information, this particular header, it doesn't contain information on what kind of activity it is. So what you can do is you can create a context. So in this context, basically you can include all the different definitions of the column. So for example, here you have that activity is step count plus walking, running, etc., etc. And then you can also record here the different kind of activities, the values which are available. So for example, if it is step count, then the value inside the column will be HK quantity type identifier step count. Now what you can do is when you are running this agent and when you give a prompt such as use the data set iPhone health and give me the total step count for this particular date, you can see here that in this particular query I have not specified any name of the column. The activity column itself is not available in this particular prompt, but thanks to the prompt which is inserted, so this is I have inserted the context which is available in the data context, I have inserted into the prompt, and this is going to give the agent a better context about the data. It gives a better description of what these columns are, as well as it is also giving the different type of activities which exist in the column activity. So this is going to help the agent come out with a more precise answer. So here it comes out with a right answer that the total number of steps for this date is so much, and this is a correct answer, and thanks to the context we have inserted in the prompt based on the data context what you have seen earlier, and this helps to agent to be more precise, more accurate.